Are you a recluse now?
Why you think so?
Because in preparing for this interview, everybody tells me we don't hear enough of him.
Ah,
We don't know anything about him.
ah,
He doesn't give interviews.
ah.
Yeah? So, are you a recluse?
Wouldn't say that. I just, that's my style, man, you know? Sometimes I just want to hold a vibe, you know? And watch how I go on. Yeah, so I just that, kind of like say, that keep yourself from the people. Yeah, so we always had to do work. They know where to find me. Yeah.
Where can they find you?
Still on the music, man.
Yeah, where?
Yeah, man, still on the radio, man.
Mm.
Yeah, man. I'm go up on the internet and the platform them
Mm-hmm.
and look for the man himself.
Yeah.
Mm.